Godiva bars. Oh, period.
Hold on, let me do it for you.
Okay, wink. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a get ready with me for you guys, and I also am featuring one more hair in this hair video slash makeup slash outfit. So today we're going to be going to wind down, but like I said in the video, I definitely had this video in the span of 2 days. The hair video was definitely done yesterday, and today's Wednesday, so I did the makeup and of course like my hair and stuff and the styling. So yeah, you guys are gonna see that in the get ready with me. If you guys want to keep watching to see how I got this look and the outfit, the hair, all that stuff, then just keep on watching.
What it do, babies? So I know I'm looking real busted and natural, but it's fine, it's cool. So I got my little, you know, set it off straight backs, and I'm gonna clean my forehead with some alcohol. So yeah, we're doing the ball cap method. Don't forget to oil your scalp, please. It's very ghetto if you leave your dry. So I swear by this edge control. It's the Even 24-hour edge tamer. Please get it. It literally had my hair like slicked back, and I also use it for my wig edges now, so it's just amazing. I love it. It's bomb. So of course this video is in partner with One More Hair. So they sent me their curly hair 13x4 lace front wig in 24 inches and 150% density. So yeah, y'all just watch me install it. I did the ball cap method, like you know the whole over the eyes method part, and then I tried a new tip where I put foundation before, or the makeup before the spray, and I feel like that's a better application for like the wig, and so that you don't see that stripe of spray in the makeup. So yeah, y'all just keep on watching. So of course I ended up doing 3 layers of this, and I finally got some popsicle sticks from Amazon, okay, because I was using something real ghetto before, but yeah, now I just use the popsicle sticks, and I'm telling you, that's like the best application, or the best way to like spread out your glue. And the thicker the band, the more security you're gonna have on the wig or on the lace front. So if you use your glue skimpingly, is skimpingly even a word? Anyways, if you use your glue very scarce, like it's not gonna stay that long. So I did 3 layers and a thick band on the cap and on my skin, as you can see. Okay, so after you go ahead and do the 3 layers, I went ahead and glued all the extra tabs down. So that's the final customization of it. So it's all glued down. And then I learned a new tip as far as not taking out all of your edges all in the front. I just did 3 different sections because I wanted 3 baby hairs on both sides. And then, plucked to make sure that it wasn't too thick. And then I laid my edges down with the even edge tamer. And you guys will all see that later on.
Today is the next day for me installing this wig, and as you can see, I'm getting ready to do the makeup portion of this. Today I'm going to wind down. It's like a club type of thing where everybody like just drinks, gets dressed, whatever. So I'm showing you guys the fit, and I'm gonna be showing you guys like my makeup, how I do my hair and stuff. I switched my hair from a middle part because y'all probably like, where the part at? I switched it from a middle part to a flip over method because I just didn't like it. I just didn't like the middle part. It wasn't giving what it should have gave. So I'm just gonna go into my makeup. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I know y'all want an eyebrow tutorial. I will be doing that soon, I promise. Trying to be more consistent, but I'm gonna do the little eyebrow tutorial. I got y'all. I wanna listen to music while I'm getting ready. I love y'all so much, but I got to listen to music while I'm doing my makeup for wind down. So I'm just gonna be doing a voiceover, and it's like literally the same makeup looks that I always do. So it's not like y'all don't know what I'm doing. I love y'all so much. So I'm gonna do a voiceover for this makeup look.
So you guys already know for my makeup looks, I tend to do concealer looks instead of using foundation. So I just put down the base of powder first after I primed and went in and did the concealer look. I tried the new method that I saw like people doing on TikTok or social media where you just put the concealer a little bit on the inner corner of your eye and then on the outer part of your eye instead of all completely under your eye. And I think that definitely helped, like as far as like how my makeup looked, because it did come out very, very well. And then after I applied the concealer, I made sure to spray my face with rose water and let it sit. And yeah, that definitely really helps the makeup like sit more into your skin. So yeah, y'all just keep on watching that.
So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love stay wrong. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip. Nah, 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 nah. Don't let that love stay wrong. Don't let that slip. No, don't let that get away.
Shake that booty, stop, stop. Shake that booty, bitch. Shake that bitch to shake.
So as I said in the beginning, I switched my middle part to a side part or a flip over method. So I'm just brushing that out, parting it down the middle. And for this look, for wind down, I kind of wanted to do like a wet look. So I just sprayed my hair through so that I can get it nice and detangled. And then the product of choice that I used was the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Mousse. And that honestly helped hold my curls like throughout the night. And I kind of put a little bit of eco style at the ends of my hair. I didn't show it, but I did put that like later on at the ends of my hair. And yeah, and I just hot combed everything so that everything looked nice and sleek.
So I got big bang belly. She would lie to me.
Alright you guys, so that was the end of the get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Big shout out to One More Hair for sending me this wig. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go. So I will see you guys later. Love you guys so much. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul.